What's up, guys? Welcome to a new trading week. I will cover some points like the debt ceiling, Apple earnings, Powell, Lagarde, incoming data, FOMC from on Wednesday, and University of Michigan on Friday. Um, let's talk about S&P. We are at some key level, obviously. We're still in the upper bound of the range. I do believe that uh, it's been a very, very weird trade, if you ask me. I don't know why S&P is going up. It doesn't make any sense to me, but um, I'm not here to say, my thoughts are like, why is it going up? I have to trade what I see. But for now, what I see is either we push to this range and we create a new range here, and that would be it, and then we come down, or we keep on pushing. The pain trade is slow grind higher. Um, let's talk about the debt ceiling. Apparently, the Republicans and the Democrats can't reach an agreement on this to raise the debt ceiling. To be honest, if you don't know what this is, I highly recommend you that you go to investing.com and or Google yourself what these things mean. Um, if you have more experience in the market, then no problem. You know what I mean. Yellen said that the first on June 1st is the hard deadline. If you ask me, there is. I mean, everyone is predicting that not the 1st of June is the deadline, but in around 8th or 9th of June. Um, I really don't think anyone would want to get the US into a default, but if they do, God forbid, um, the drop, I'm thinking it will be somewhere in around 20 to 50%. So 20% is like what, 3,359, and I think 50% is like all the way down here. Yeah. So, and just so you know, this will be some sort of flash crash. It will happen very, very, very fast. Um, but these type of things create really, really, really great opportunities. You can start investing into some stocks. If there is like this huge bubble that is wasting to burst, that it's waiting to burst. So these type of things create lifetime opportunities. So keep your eyes peeled on any news related to this. The optimism in the market apparently is given by Apple. Uh, they had good earnings, obviously, but it's like they are like a trillion. I don't know what's the market cap on this, but I think it's in around trillions. So that's a huge component of Nasdaq, and uh, obviously, they will drag the markets up, even if other stocks are going are their earnings are shit. So this thing just keeps the market afloat. Now with the introduction of AI and all that narrative, VR. I don't know what Apple does with VR, if I recall. Uh, you see, that's that's very strange. Like these are pumped by promises. It's not like uh, they're doing very, very well. But who am I to argue with the market, right? I have to trade what I see, not what I think. Um, Now, if we look, let me see if I can pull this chart. This is the trade that I currently have. I've been in this trade since the beginning of May. It's quite frustrating to be in a trade like this for such a long time, but it is what it is. I have to be patient. On lower time frames, this is what I have. This could have been a swing fail pattern here, you know, swing fail, breaking down, and we start to break down finally. That's what I see, and this is what I think short term. If basically I'm almost at my entry point, so probably I will add some positions again here on S&P. Uh, Same on this. This one I really don't want to touch yet. Like this AI narrative is very very powerful apparently at the moment. So really really don't want to touch it. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin. See where we at. Uh, Macro. So we keep on tagging the 100 daily moving average. If this is something that you don't trade, it's okay. It's something that I used to trade. If it gives me confidence, right? It's been tagged one, two, three times. We either push from high from here or we start to break down. Um, I really don't. Oh, sorry. Let's go back to stocks a bit and cover the points here. Okay. So Paul said on Friday that inflation is still too high, but risk is more balanced, meaning that they can pause, but nothing is sure. Again, ECB not pausing, inflation outlook is too high. I think September is their last hike, to be honest. Now, the incoming data is showing weakness in the economy. So I think bad news will actually be bad news and not some inverse good news is like Fed will raise rates and the market will crash, and the other way around. We'll have the FOMC minutes on Wednesday, and the University of Michigan final numbers on Friday. We'll have to see how strong the consumer is. I believe that the Fed will repeat what they have said previously, while this will be below expectations. Sorry, let's go back here. Now we are in a new range basically. So um, this is the new range formed here, right? So this is our range here. Um, to be honest, I don't believe this. I think maybe we will tag this area here 22,000. So maybe that's where we'll get soon. In terms of short term, we start to break down. Apparently the 200 weekly moving average has been tagged, the daily moving, so they kind of like overlap here. um, what I want to see is a break below. As long as we hold um, you know below here, I think we're starting to break down sooner or later, right? I mean, you see these spikes, you know we if we don't break, we're gonna definitely push higher. And but I think we really need to take this side here. We need to see the August highs taken. If we get back, it will be something like this, retest again this, but now it's gonna become resistance and then come down, you know, all the way here, like this, and then like that. I think that's the, you know, course of action. If you ask me, if it's not gonna play out like this, I'm okay. I will just trade long and short until you know it doesn't work anymore. So I will trade like major key areas, support and resistance until it doesn't work, right? So this is like a head and shoulders, if you want to call this a head and shoulders. Oh, we're breaking down from the head and shoulders. Uh, sh- Short term, let's see what we have. Um, I mean, we broke down scam pump on Saturday, breakdown on Sunday. I do have a short. I think I got it from here. Um, all the trades that I take are posted in the Discord group, and you can see them there. But short term, yeah, I think this is definitely the trade that I'm looking at, right? So this is the first trade that I want to see. I'll take profits here, and probably I will leave some small positions running all the way down to 22K or even 19K if we get there. That would be awesome, but oh, sorry, um, I don't think we will get there yet. But we have to see. I mean, market is being very, very, very hectic. Um, One of the things that didn't make sense to me was like the dollar was rallying and S&P and Nasdaq rallied at the same time. It's something awkward for me, but correlations don't work all the time. So you have to be careful with that because you might get caught into some stupid trades. Let's see, Pepecito, nice cam pump. Uh, Shorted this. What else we have? We have ING, this one, and Link. We're waiting for Link, Bitcoin, and that's it. I think I'll take some profits here on this one, and Link. This one I have to wait for them to go down. See now Bulls are defending this key area here. But overall, market looks good. I'm not too worried about anything. I've been away for like 2 weeks, just trying to focus on other things because market has been very difficult and I was mentally drained from these ranges. It's very hard to trade, and I spend a lot of time watching, paint dry basically. I just put up alerts, and then if there was something, I came back to the PC and take a trade here and there. But sometimes it's good to be out of the market and take it easy. Um, and that's it. Just take it easy and relax. There is always another trade. So I hope you enjoyed the update. If you have questions, feel free to ask me and comments, or if you want to join the Discord group, it's free. You can join anytime you want, and that's where we do the talking. Cheers and have a great day.